Yeah, that was so sweet. Damn it, man. Right, yours. Cool, yours. Yeah, I've been busy, my friends. Been a bit busy, ne? I've been busy. Been busy, yokes. I've been busy, yokes. Yeah, mate. Right. Coolios. So, in December, I did something very lekker for you, Oaks, ne? Nganenzela. Kwakuyini konje? Kwakuwukhamba lesithunywa. Kwakuwukhamba lesithunywa as well as some stuff for healing. Kwakuwukhamba lesithunywa, kwakuwukhamba lumhlophe. Can't remember what else. It was a big pack. Alright? That pack was going at. It was a nice pack. And it's a seated at 7, I think it was 7.5, ne? Right? Right. Coolios. So we've done something similar. I've been speaking to so many people, ne? So we've done something very similar. Well, it's basically the same shit, but it's bigger. Alright, as you can see. It's much bigger than what it was. Right here, as well as Ukamba Lumhlobo. So it comes these two guys. Right? Nothing has changed. Everything is still there. But instead of to consult first, let's see. I want to see something. So it's fine. So you don't have to consult for this one. But I'm only going to release 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all I'm releasing. Right? Friday, ngiyayivali. It is what it is, mshanam. Ngingeni London. It is what it is. Speak to us 084-363-5362, 084 Bangosh 363-5362. Alright. Speak to my team. Obviously, I'll be doing a feedback show. Obviously, I'll be engaging with you guys. Obviously, I want to know what's happening. Obviously, I want to know where you are from the last time I spoke to you. Obviously, ngifuna ukwazi lokho. Alright. Size ozisizayo. Injalo nje. Danko. Speak to my team 084-363-5362. Peace.